Hi everybody, today we are making dinosaur collagraphs. A collograph is a shape collage that you turn into a print. Get your white paper, write your name and your class code, and then start cutting out your shapes. I like to cut the paper out in chunks and then cut the smaller shapes out of those. Don't forget to put your leftovers into the garbage box. That way we keep our table nice and neat. But when you cut, turn the paper as well as the scissors to make cutting easier. Arrange your pieces on your paper to create your dinosaur. The big oval should go in the middle so there's enough room for your whole dinosaur to fit. Now start gluing your shapes. Remember, we are making a collograph, and a collograph is a collage that you make a print from. I just realized the tail could be turned into the neck. I'm going to stick with my original design though. Okay, that's done. Now turn the paper over. When you pick your crayon, pick a dark crayon and lay the crayon down on its belly. You see the blue peeking through the paper? That's where the dinosaur is. You're going to feel around for the shapes and then start rubbing with your crayon. Remember, I'm going to say it once again. The crayon should be laying down and then you pinch it with your first few fingers and then rub, rub, rub. And look at the shapes. They're starting to emerge. It's like magic. This is the best part of making a collograph. So keep going, keep rubbing, and amaze yourself at how your print starts to emerge. And this is why you need to use a dark colored crayon, because if you use a light colored crayon, obviously you wouldn't be able to see your collograph as well against the white paper. If you're not sure where your next shapes are, you can always flip the paper over and see where you need to rub next. Do you notice that now the dinosaur is facing in the opposite direction? Once the dinosaur is done, you can check and see if you have any leftover pieces. You can turn them into other things in your picture. I had 2 leftover triangles and I turned them into 2 mountains. And then I went into the garbage box and I cut a third bigger triangle, glued it onto my collograph, and added 1 larger mountain. Up, I have time to add a sun. I hope you love this project as much as I think you will, and I can't wait to see what you create. Make sure you follow all the directions and clean up perfectly for your substitute teacher.